Live from the wok, black pepper beef, Chomp style. Ingredients in the description, sizzle rating 3. Wok and roll, banana patrol.
Wok blazing hot, oil in, garlic and ginger, quick fry, 10 seconds, just fragrant. Beef in, spread it out, quick sear, then fold and toss till it's nearly cooked. Onion in, toss 30 seconds. We want it glossy, still with a little crunch. Sauce in. Pepper punch. Fold till glossy. Sizzle rating 3. Taste check. More pepper if you love it bold. One quick flip, then we're done. Heat off. Black pepper beef, glossy and punchy. Wok and roll, banana patrol. Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.